everyone, I'm Anushka Singh and you are watching DNP Education, and today I have a very interesting fact for you. Do you know a single sneeze travels 100 million per hour and shoots 10,000 germs into the air? Researchers at the University of Bristol found that the average sneeze or cough can send around 10,000 contagious germs into the air at the speed up to 100 millions per hour. These germs can carry viruses such as influenza, respiratory viruses, which cause the common cold. For more such education videos, keep watching DNP Education.